Fucking move, cunt.
Bro, this sounds hectic. Wait, what's that? Huh? Long time no see. Why the fuck is he wearing a bucket hat? I don't know. I found it. I bought it ages ago. I thought, fuck it, I'll start wearing it again. And why am I wearing glasses? Because my eyes are really sensitive at the moment. Anyway, I have not done a video for ages, so today I am putting a pod filter on my Saab. Just finished work, clocking off. Super cheap auto, pod filter. Might choose red or blue. See when we get there. And gotta pick up kiddo. Then I gotta drive to my fucking backyard mechanic. While I'm in traffic, I was stood still back then, but now I'm moving. So anyway, I'll record some cinematic shit, and hopefully I don't look too goosey. All right, peace. So I've got little kiddo here. Seatbelt on first, safety first, people. Turn down the radio. Bit of drum and bass. Anyway, we need to keep our energy levels up after work. It's so awkward to hold the phone after having a sugar rush. Anyway, Peachy Keen. I am not sponsored by Monster, by the way. One day I might be, once I be that Drift King Ultimate, bruh. No. Backing up. Wow, it's just gone all over the place. Thank you. Right, you little shit. Let's go. Oh, look at that. He's already figured out how to undo his belt, mate. God, he's gonna be a nuisance when he's all around. All right, come on, let's go get a post filter. Say ah. Say. Fucking hell, I can't hold them. Mate, your hands stink of fucking cheese. It's actually making me nauseous. Alright, let's go find a pod. Do you know where the pod filters are?
Yes, I've got them I've got it in a few spots actually. Is there a particular one you're looking for?
Ooh, I'm after a blue one.
After a blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably put it in.
Sweet.
It is going to the car?
Yeah, it's going on the Saab.
Oh, don't do it.
Why?
The oil will go off the filter, throw your map out, and you'll ultimately cause damage to your engine. It's a common issue with oil filters because they are 1950s technology that people are just slapping on new cars.
Okay, easy. So we got it. The guy said don't get it for the Saab, it'll blow it up, and I was like, I'm still gonna give it a go anyway. Anyway, I think it's time for a new lip. Multi-fit pod filter, mate. Wait, play with that. Give something to the kids to play with. Give them to cars. Be familiar at a young age. Apparently my dad, when he was younger, he used to be able to take apart an engine and yeah, he was like 12, 13 and take a whole block apart and then put it back in. Alright, I need to message my mate and let him know I'm on the way. Okay, so my mate's gonna charge me 50 instead of 100, which is fair enough because he's got like the metal pipe in the clamps and everything like that. If I was gonna buy the whole kit, it's gonna cost like 180 anyway, so 50 bucks ain't too bad. I just had to go buy the potty filly, mate. Anyway, I'll see how he does it, and yeah. Hey, little buddy. I'm gonna need the pod filter. Come here. Look at that. Nice and chromy. What do you reckon? Nice. I think keep that on, put the metal pipe in, get rid of that. Well, keep it, I'll put it in my shed. But you're gonna keep the sensor on it apparently. Yeah, man. Hey, alright, I'll leave you to figure it out. Piss. Used to be able to go across the road, you know, fucking take a mad piss. Yeah, I got fucking neck beard happening. It's all itchy and shit. I'm a kid. You enjoy the box there, buddy? You enjoy the box, buddy? So an extra 10 bucks.
Yeah, I just happen to have this stuff that I like is I reckon it's
Oh, that's nice and warm too.
That's one sitting on turbo, yeah.
Turbo. Mr. Turbs over here. Once you go turbo, you don't go back there. No. Mr. Upgrading to 2 V8s. What's happening to the V6? You just chuck it, scrap it, put it on the side of the road. No. Have you heard about that guy that found the barra on the side of the road? Like, the green top barra? No. In Queensland or Melbourne. Yeah, same shit. That's the only thing about kids, mate. They always want your full attention. I'm just recording this quick. So, that's the adapter there. That goes on there. He's going to try and work all of his magic. Check the oil while we're here. God damn. I'll give it a wash. Have you got a cloth? This is smooth. Moment of truth. It's probably low, it's probably all carbonated. Sure. Yeah, it definitely needs a change and a service. But I'll do that myself later. Alright, so I've had this problem for a while. Yeah, fuck it. She's in 4 pieces now. What do you reckon, Luca? Just rip it off there. There you go. No more front right. Dash was fucking retarded now. What is this, bro? Just tuck that up, man. There we go. Look at that now. I had to rip it off. It was a fight. It was a driving hazard. It kept like. I know, but it was falling off anyway. All right. Reason why I ripped that off is because it's in 3 parts, and the little part here kept being flimsy, so it was like cracked in the middle with the hole. And it would have come off, mate. Just fucking dragging and stuff, and it could have just fallen off, you know. So anyway, running with no lip now, but now that I think about it, I regret pulling it off because this pipe. Oh wow, look at that. That's not too good, I'm not gonna know if I'm gonna fucking let it go. So I'm gonna park now. I'm just gonna have to park like a meter away from like the parking post.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, so I'm not.
Hi. Yeah, help him with the car, buddy. Oh, slobber all over it. Nice. Adds an extra 3 kilowatts.
Dad.
Yep. There's no going back, apparently. Oh, look at that. Go on, back it. So if it fucks it, I'll have to just buy a new one. Oh, look at that. Oh, look how cute that is. I got my Mac. Not bad, mate, not bad. You see why he doesn't let anyone touch his tools. Sure. You're special, apparently. Yeah, go on. Just put a hole in it. Put a hole in it. Go on. Cheers, Luca. Just adding junk to the engine. Mr. In the car, out the car, in the car, out the car. Okay. What's in there, buddy? Over here? Over there? Oh, look. Shiny. Yeah, what's that? That clamp goes on there. Yeah. Yeah, you're kind of right, but yeah. Oh, I thought I'd show him when I was young. But, yeah.
Fair enough.
How you doing? Down there? Yeah. Going flat. Smoky. Smoky. Finally installed. Mr. Tuna. Oh. That doesn't sound too bad.
Shit, cunt.
What, just small turbos?
Yeah. Holy shit.
Sounds like you've added an extra 30 horsepower. No. Ooh. We need to go down like an alleyway or something, and then you'll hear it, eh?
What do you mean and then you'll hear it, bro? You fucking... It's so loud, cunt. I just put a fucking diverter valve on the BMW and it's nowhere near this loud.
Yeah, right.
Holy shit.
I like that. It sounds almost like a flutter, right?
Yeah.
You reckon I should make it manual? Nah, just keep it auto.
Cars and I said it was crazy.
Yeah, it's like a gentleman's ride. How's the BMW going anyway?
Good. Just went for a service yesterday.
Yeah.
That was like $4,500.
Fucking hell.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm gonna service this myself. I'm not gonna. Yeah. It's too expensive. It's like 480.
You're not gonna get enough of that.
What in the?
What side's your indicator on? Same as BMW?
Yeah, European.
What? You can hear your indicators through the speakers.
Yeah, you said that when you were drunk in my car one night. You're like, those cooked. More high revs, though.
I'm just trying to post on that video.
It's almost 6 psi, bro.
It's weird in the BMW down this plus.
Yeah. Down in this is down shift. But you can do like the nitrous buttons though. The left. Yeah. But carefully, it kind of fucks you up if you go in to change gear and you're turning. It's like, oh shit.
Good brakes.
Yeah, I know. The front ones need doing. Probably the second, I reckon.
Yeah, I was just trying to see how it sounds lower revs. It definitely likes lower revs. It sounds better lower revs.
Yeah. Eventually one day, the thing will open. There we go.
I was trying to be quiet. I was like, don't make any noise, please.
I might put 98 in it. What do you reckon? The guy told me to put 95.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, would it sound better?
It won't sound better, but it might stop.
Why, what's wrong with it?
I love
He lives it. Good doing, mate. Sorry. You want to be in on the video?
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go. Install the turbo. Hit him just in case he didn't want to be in the video. Should go down an alleyway, bro. Like you know, like a small, like KFC. You know what KFC is?
yeah, we'll
Just-
go down one.
Oh. Oh, that sounds hectic. Yeah, that sounds hectic. What was you doing there? Just second or third?
So you dose,
Yeah.
let off, change gear, and then go straight back into it.
Yeah. Hectic.
It doesn't like it.
Probably not.
Yeah, cops are coming up.
Real?
No, like in front of us.
Oh, that's
We're just
alright.
like dosing behind us.
No. Send it. I think at this rate we'll end up fucking having to push the car back. Now, yeah.
Head back to 90, go get some fuel, eh?
Yeah. Is it gonna waste more fuel now having that? About the same.
Yeah, probably, because you're going to be doing that all the time.
Yeah. Can we switch quick?
Straight or right? Let's go straight.
It's a bit loud. I don't know what you mean now. Fuck! Yeah.